ancients spoke of it. It is the heart of this fierce land. It is carried in the wind. Born of our legends. And when we are put to the test, it is the one thing we must always be.
You could go. Ask somebody.
Oh, sure, let me just take a cheerleader from my speed dial. You have a minute? You want to go? Those kind of plans last month expiring in the cafeteria. You're gonna help with prom, or you won't graduate? What? Problem? I was just taking inventory of this. Bucket. That would be one. See what we do? But first, Rachel, now breathe in. What are those doing? Make sure you don't tell her, okay? You can't plan to improve it now. What do I say? Just pretend I'm a normal person. What kind of sick twisted serial killer that is the other person's You have an arrest from that issue.
John, you missed that. That was a shame.
Taking care of things. Hey there, thinking about purchasing a new 3D TV and 3D Blu-ray player? Well, you should be. You won't believe the amazing things it can do. Brother, that's the big introduction? Seriously, Pumbaa, this is the best you can come up with? What are you talking about today? It's Shared Genius. The Shared Genius stick? Come on, please. Blu-ray 3D takes television to a new level. It's got a crystal clear 1080p high-definition 3D picture. And rest digital sound. Wait a minute, Pumbaa. You really think that's what we want to hear? Yeah, I kind of do. You won't. Besides, you want excitement. What's the danger? We gotta at least hear about the glasses. Right, fine. I'll tell you about the glasses. Alright, see these? You know the cardboard ones with the pretty blue and red plastic lenses? Well, they're out. No cheap glasses. Check these out. And those I have. And those. Now, can we please see how cool this 3D equipment really is? Okay, I just need to plug this baby in, and where we go? Let's watch the Disney Blu-ray 3D disc. Right away, the little lights. Wait, let me grab the snacks. Come on. Oh, yeah, sorry. Would you care for one? No? Suit yourself. So, are you ready to see how exciting Blu-ray 3D is? I'm ready. Do you have your 3D television? We certainly do. And the Blu-ray 3D player? And our glasses. Then, prepare to experience movies. Sports. And music. Oh, pretty fantastic! Wouldn't you say? Absolutely! Did you see how some of that looked like it was coming right off the screen? And now you've got awesome 3D quality in your own home! So, what are you waiting for? Bring home your own Disney Blu-ray 3D disc and get started! Well, let me tell you something. That guy is total amateur hour. Disney Farm digital copy, section 3. Now, you can watch your favorite Disney movies, live, and wherever you want. You ready for this?
When you buy a special edition Disney DVD or Blu-ray with Disney World, simply take the Disney World disc, insert it into your computer, and follow the easy on-screen instructions.
Well, run that instruction.
In just minutes, the transfer to your computer of video and record of a device is complete. Your Disney movie is ready to go. I feel alive!
Wherever you go.
Well, fun and easy. Disney World Digital Code. Your favorite movies anytime, anywhere, in just minutes.
To find out more,
Visit DisneyWorld.com. Look for Disney World Digital Code in these and other special editions of your favorite Disney Blu-ray and DVDs.
Pennies and Mom, they were so fuzzy. Oh my gosh, where'd it go? Now then, small children, where's the big contraption?
I don't know. It was here just a moment ago.
Don't you realize what this means?
We're done.
No, a mysterious force always takes away Phineas and Ferb's inventions before Mom shows up. This time, it took away their invention before I showed up. The mysterious force recognizes that I'm now a grown-up.
Mysterious force?
Really? Let me explain, though it might seem strange to you. So please refrain from thinking that of me. It gives me pain when I see what my brothers do, but no one else ever can see. I just want that you know, so I pop out on the phone. The magic touching is here, the whole thing disappears. Whatever they feel every day, it gets taken away. No one sees it, of course, it's a mysterious force. To my mother, every story's preposterous. Never believes no matter what I do. Before I right and she's wrong on us. Because I probably think I'm crazy too. I just want the truth though, so I come on the phone. But by the time she gets here, the whole thing disappears. Whatever you do every day, it gets taken away by some mysterious force. No one seems to enforce. Some mysterious force. Some mysterious force. Some mysterious force. Some mysterious force.
I'm still not buying it. I am a woman of science. At least that's what my horoscope said.
Well, I'm going to prove it to you and bust my brothers at the same time.
I'm finished setting up the buffet. Oh, for crying out loud, no one was gonna say. I know I'm turning to a dog and he's playing with his doll. It's not a doll, it's a stand-in. Pretending to practice this. You're not normal, Dad. Oh, I thank you, Vanessa, you're so sweet. See what I did there? Even though I know you meant it as an insult, I meant it as a compliment. Maddening, isn't it? I'm out of here. So you better have fun today. Dad, did you outlaw Tony Marzullo? If you keep banishing every boy who shows an interest in me, I'll never have a social life. Done and done. Who's that? Oh, don't mind him. He's just your father from another dimension. Whatever. I'm going back to Mom's, and I'm taking the blame. Okay, we'll tell you whether you have fun, though. So this is it, huh? This is what it's like to be doomed. Flying around in a blimp. It really is awful.
No, I think the dooming is happening down there.
Oh, cool. That looks much more exciting.
Major Monogram?
Yes.
So none of us will remember any of today?
That's right.
Good.
Isabella!
Hit it, Carl!
Wait! What happened? Where are we? Hey, why is Perry wearing a hat? Oh, for crying out loud, Carl, fire it up again. Agent B, could you please tell her to learn something? Good morning, Dad. I've got story. Well, what appeared to some to be a giant invasion of killer robots from another dimension turned out in actuality to be a weather balloon. And now, here's Cliff Morris with the weather. Rain will fall. Final replication complete. It's everything we built this summer. Somehow, Perry has replicated all of our inventions. That means that he didn't miss out on everything. He did see it, and he trusted us after all. Bob, I know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna save the entire tri-state area. Yeah, musical accompaniment.
We're gonna try to close the portal. You're about to see me in when someone sees you still processing.
Disney movies are magic, and the magic continues after the credits. Just look inside your Blu-ray disc or DVD for the magic code to start earning points toward fantastic rewards at DisneyMovieRewards.com. Now, on Disney Channel, a place dripping with adventure, the most important friendships, and drama. Let's go. Just because I realized what big services out there did this better than I Disney Channel's own comedy series. Stop trying us. Fish Hawks on Disney Channel. Fish Hawks! What are you looking for? The next train.
Well, I know what we're gonna do then, Fred.
The classic story of Bambi continues for the first time in high definition.
I'm glad to see you.
Bambi 2, Special Edition.
Poor little fella, so young to be without his mother. Who better to raise the young prince than the great prince himself?
Me?
A prince does not woo-hoo. Does it? A prince maintains control at all times. You're gonna need a lot of practice. Come on, I can teach you.
The son's courage.
This is it. Come on, Dandy. You can do it.
Reveals a father's love. Right.
Near my age.
Bambi 2 Special Edition.
Actually, I'm not like you.
For the first time in high definition on Disney Blu-ray Combo Pack.
This place makes the Bermuda Triangle look like a kiddie pool. We're here, right where you paid me to bring you. Question is, why? I'm looking for a cow.
When a mission is this dangerous, the world's greatest spy.
That'd be a close one.
With all the help of a winning team.
Lift me up. You go get a man like my McQueen. Okay, to the world.
Let me introduce myself. Friend with Missile, British Intelligence.
Oh, man. Harvard Gentleman. Oh, you've got to be joking.
I need your help.
Not again.
This isn't Radiator Springs. Make it all bad.
I'm sticking by you, my you stick by me. That's what I'm talking about. Not funny around town.
Disney and Pixar's Cars 2. Coming soon on Blu-ray DVD.